Now, what do you think the symptom of the person who is here? Low back pain. Yeah, that's low back pain, right? Did they know that is why that? No. Because in their head, this is just how you stand. This is how everybody stands, right? Because that's the program. So you, as a therapist, part of your responsibility is to give them a new program. You have to change their cerebellum. Right? You have to change their cerebellum to rewrite this program. Because what do you think happened as soon as I put them back here? I don't know, right? Like this happens, right? This happens because in their head, this means, what's it? This means I'm falling. If my hip is this far back, I'm falling. Even though they're not falling, their brain goes into falling. I need to grab onto something. Because they learned every time my hip goes back that far, I'm falling, right? So now, if I leave that program in there, what's going to happen, I can loosen all the stuff I want, and when they stand up, what are they going to do? Right? They're going to do this again because that's their program. They're going to just run their program.